Namaste students, welcome back again in RS Group of YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the number of atoms present in the cubic unit cell. You already know about that. Every crystal lattice is made up of infinite number of unit cells. Every crystal lattice is made up of infinite number of unit cells. That means मोस्टली जो क्रिस्टल लैटिस हैं हमारे वो बहुत सारे यूनिट सेल से मिलके बने होते हैं in three dimensional. Okay, and every lattice site in the crystal lattice is occupied by the constituent particles. These constituent particles may be an atom, ion or molecule. Now consider there are three types of cubic unit cells you see on the board. One is simple cubic, it is also known as primitive unit cell. Another is body centered cubic unit cell, and third one is face centered cubic unit cell. For the sake of simplicity, we assume that the constituent particles as atoms. Now let us start from simple cubic primitive unit cell. In the simple cubic unit cell, we can take a cube, and this cube having 8 corners. This cube having 8 corners. These 8 corners are occupied by 8 atoms. These 8 corners are occupied by 8 atoms because we assume the constituent particles as atoms. Okay, now every corner atom is contributed with how many number of unit cells? You mean check contribution of each atom at corner is 1/8. यानी एक कॉर्नर एटम कितने अदर यूनिट सेल से कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, इसको हम देखते हैं। मान लीजिए ये आपका एटम है, इस एटम को हम डाइसेक्ट करते हैं। इस तरीके से डाइसेक्ट करेंगे। डाइसेक्ट करने पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? ये एवरी एटम इज कंट्रीब्यूटेड अवर 1/8 पार्ट इन द unit cell. So the total number of atoms present in the simple cubic primitive unit cell is, the total atoms are 8 and contribution of each atom at the corner is 1/8. So the total number of atoms present in the unit cell is 8 into 1/8. Yani total number of atoms present in the unit cell is 1. Now we will move to the body centered cubic unit cell. In this unit cell 8 atoms are present at the corners and 1 atom is present within the body without any sharing with any other unit cell. So 8 atoms present at the corner and 1 atom within the body. Contribution by 8 atoms on the corner is 1. We can conclude here total number of atoms present in the unit cell, that is only on the corners, that is 1. And 1 atom present in the body center, that will not share with any other unit cell, it is also 1. So total number of atoms present in the unit cell is 1 plus 1, that means 2. So this atom, mark my point, this atom does not share with any other unit cell, and these are the 8 corners which are present in each cube. Now move to the third part, that is face centered cubic unit cell. Students, you know that in a cube, मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई क्यूबिक रूम है, उसकी 6 फेसेस हैं, जैसा कि हमने पिछली वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया। यहाँ आपके सामने एक क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल है। This cubic unit cell having 6 faces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 face centers, and this one face center is contribute या shared with 2 unit cells. This face centered atom is contribute with 2 unit cells. See this diagram. This is the face centered unit cell, face centered atom, and this contribute with the nearest adjacent cubic unit cell. So the contribution by the atoms on the corners is 1 and the contribution on the face is 1/2. 1/2 because this atom share with 2 unit cells. इसलिए हम इसे क्या कहेंगे कि एक एटम 2 फेस से कंट्रीब्यूट करता है। तो 8 तो कॉर्नर्स हुए, हम इसका अगर टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स निकालते हैं 8 तो कॉर्नर एटम्स हुए इसमें, और 1/2 जो है हमारा क्या करता है, 2 यूनिट सेल से शेयर करता है। देन हाउ मेनी फेसेस आर प्रेजेंट इन द पर्टिकुलर यूनिट सेल? टोटल फेसेस आर 6, total faces are 6, and each atom contributed by the shared by the 2 unit cells, adjacent unit cells. So the contribution on the face is 3. Contribution on the face is 3. And again explain, each atom shared with 2 unit cell, and the total number of face centers in a unit cell is 6. So the contribution on the face is 3, and 1 atoms of the corner. Then total number of atoms in the unit cell is 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So in this video we calculate the number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell. That means simple cubic having 1 number of unit cells, number of atoms in the unit cell. BCC having 2 number of atoms in the unit cell, and face center having 4 total number of atoms in the unit cell. Thank you.